Now I would like to introduce for you very nice dishes. They call stir-fried pork with XO sauce. So how to make a stir-fried pork with XO sauce? The first one, we're making an XO sauce first. And please watching our video alone to see how we're making the XO sauce. For ingredients to prepare for the stir-fried pork, we got a pork, XO sauce, capsicum, chili, onion, carrots, eggplant, broccoli flower, cauliflower, or green capsicum. Now, I will chop a little bit capsicum first. Red capsicum first. Bias on one side. Onion. Slide them up. Green capsicum. Slide them up. Carrots. Cut small pieces. Some cauliflower. Some eggplant. Okay, all ingredients we have so far. Put everything. Now pork, and slide them up thinner. Now I'm ready to cook it. It's very simple, easy. If you already making the XO sauce, it taking only a minute to finish this one. So now we got about 3 tablespoons of XO sauce inside. Then add all the pork inside. Use a chopstick, stir nicely. Until the pork change color, you add everything inside. Okay, good. Now everything inside. And stir as well. Okay, that's well done now. Let's change for everything on the place. Look very nice color, very rich. And thus we can put a little bit black pepper on the top here and ready to enjoy. But XO sauce is very spicy, so we got a little bit chili here, look more nicer. Alright, time to enjoy the beautiful stir-fried pork with XO sauce. Thank you.